Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to share the benefits of bagarua with you all, especially to women. So let's delve into the video. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share my video. So I have this bagarua here and cloves. I'll be mixing these two together, but before I mix it, I'll have to wash my bagarua just to rinse off any dust. Let's quickly move to the benefits of bagarua, especially to ladies. I remember growing up, I used to hear the elderly women telling the younger ladies who have just delivered to get this bagarua to either make a warm seat bath so that it could aid in the healing of the womb. This bagarua is also used in the treatment of stomach ulcers, so you can see the correlation between the healing of the womb and the healing in stomach ulcers. So I have washed it and I'm now mixing it with the cloves. I'm just adding it into this bottle with about 500 ml of water. So I'll put everything inside, then I'll close the lid and leave it till the next day. Bagarua, which is also known as acacia, is used to treat vaginal infections and it's also used in the tightening of the vagina. Another benefit is that it has adequate amounts of fiber which aids in the digestion of food. People who want to lose weight can also use bagarua as their daily remedies because when you take it, it makes you feel like you have eaten plenty. You don't eat excessively, and this will aid in the regulation of your body weight. Another benefit of this bagarua is that it calms throat pain. When you have throat pain and you make it into a warm tea and take it, it relieves you of this sore pain. So it is always good that you have it with you. After about 10 hours of keeping this is how it looks. I'm just going to strain it and take some of it. So bagarua is very important to us generally because it has high amounts of antioxidants, and these antioxidants will aid in the fight of diseases. So you can see it has a wide range of benefits. I'll be making videos on how to use bagarua for different purposes. I hope you subscribe for these videos. So with the dosing, there's no proven dosing for bagarua, but remember that everything should be taken in moderation. To be sure of everything, please consult your general practitioner. Thank you for watching. Bye.